Today, I want to show you one of Outlook's features, the deleted notifications for forwarded events. Many users are confused about how this feature works. Some users think that anytime that they receive a forwarded message in their inbox, if this feature is enabled, all of them are deleted, and that's not true. And others think that when they forward messages, that they are deleted, but not sure why they sometimes show up in the sent folders. Well, today in the demonstration, I'm going to squash all of those confusing thoughts. Before going to the demonstration, it is a good idea to understand the roles of the organizer, the attendee, and the forwarded attendee, because you could be any of these roles. And this should clarify any confusions about the forwarded, deleted notices and where they are stored. With meeting invitations, this behavior, it's standard. The organizer submits the invite to the attendee and it arrives in their inbox. The same thing happens when the attendee sends the invite to someone else. So let's talk about invitation responses. For the organizer, all replies will arrive in the inbox, and for the others, the copy of the replies are saved in the sent folder. And for the main topic, deleted forwarding notices. The organizer is the only one that has the option to choose where this message should be stored, in the inbox or in the deleted folder. And it only applies if this feature is enabled on Outlook online application. Now, if you are the attendee, you should know that by default, Microsoft will send a courtesy note to the organizer, and your message to the forwarded attendee is saved to your sent folder. And lastly, when the forwarded recipient gets the invite from the attendee, it will say from the attendee on behalf of the organizer. So therefore, the reply goes directly to the organizer and it is saved in the sent folder. So what is the conclusion? In this example, Nestor received 3 emails in his already saturated inbox, and this requires him to handle an email that has no long-term value. So, okay, you may be saying, but I want to be warned. Well, the acceptance response of the meeting should be enough. And if you want to know more about the details like who sent the invite, you can retrieve that information from the deleted folder by searching on the event name. Okay, so now let's go look at the demo and how to enable this setting. Okay, so I have navigated to Nestor's profile, his Outlook profile, and let's take a look. So here are, all the meeting invitations that, Nestor has sent to Adele. Notice that it is in his sent messages and Adele accepted and it arrives in his inbox. Now here is that meeting forwarded notification for this particular meeting. Now, I want you to notice how this message came directly from Microsoft Outlook on behalf of Adele. And it went to Nestor, and it also tells who that message was sent to. Now, what it doesn't show is the actual message that Adele sent to Alex. So I think that's a little problematic. It would be nice to have, but nevertheless, it is not there. And when you look, you get in your inbox the acceptance from Alex. So let's go ahead and enable the forwarded deleted notification feature. So click on the settings icon, and I like to search on invitation. Click on invitations from other people, because it's going to take me directly to the location. Notice the path, calendar, events, invitations, and it's going to take me exactly where that feature is located, like that feature, the search feature. So I'm just going to say, yes, delete notifications about forward events, and I'm going to hit save. So now when I get messages that here it is, Nestor sent an, invite to Adele, and that's in the sent box. Dale accepted, it's in his inbox, and he received the acceptance from Alex. Because in the deleted folder, that forwarded message automatically was deleted. So you don't have to worry about, handling it. Again, if you do need to see the details for that message, who sent it and more details, that you can actually search for this based on the event's name. Now, there's one other thing I want to show you. I want to show you what it looks like for Alex. Let me pull that up. Now, I'm in Alex. I am in Alex Outlook, and notice when he received the notification from Adele, there it is, Adele on behalf of Nestor, and it went to Alex. Again, once he accepted, it's going to go directly to Nestor. Okay, so I hope that I have clarified, the confusion around how this feature works. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel so you can get a notice every time I upload a new video.